Hello, my fellow Americans. I gotta tell you, Arizona, what a great state. One of the best out there. Except those damn rocks. Jumping up, smacking glass, breaking your hopes and dreams. No, I mean it. The cracks, they're all over. They're bad. They're losers, we all know it. But I gotta tell you, those guys over at Eveready Auto Glass, now they're the ones who are gonna take care of your replacement. They'll do a great job. They'll get it done fast and even get you paid when you file through your insurance. Don't go to those other crooked Hillarys like Shady Man's Auto Glass offering $1 million rebate to those glass holes at the car wash. It's all fake news. They're gonna do a bad job. Believe me. I'm pretty sure a few of those guys are illegals anyways. Click the button and fill out your contact form. It takes 60 seconds and you'll get a call from those lovely, lovely people at Eveready. And together, we'll make your windshield and America great again.